virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Let us learn mathematics of standard 2nd. Topic is a special way to add by carrying over. Dear children, you know that this is the symbol for addition or we call plus, isn't it? And what we do during making addition? We add the numbers. We bring the numbers together. We count the total of objects, isn't it? Yes, addition means making total or joining the objects, right? Okay, let us learn a special way to add by carrying over. Means we are going to learn more and more about addition today. Okay, count, add and write the sum in the box. Okay, here 2 apples plus 3 apples means 2 plus 3. You know the answer, that is 5, isn't it? 2 plus 1, that is 3, correct? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. And 4 plus 1, that is 5. Right? You know, like these addition, very simple units we are going to add here. Right? Units we have added here. Correct? Okay. Now we will proceed to our next step, that is add. Here you can see units column. Right? Okay. 2 columns we have made here of units. In one we will draw the objects and in one we will write the numbers. First one, units column. Here we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 4 balls we can see. Let us write here number 4. Okay. And here in the second we are going to add these balls to some more balls. That is 1, 2, 3. So let us write here 3. Okay. Now we will do addition. You know this is the addition symbol. Okay. 4 here plus 3. That is together how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Here let us write here 7 because 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You can take 4 in one hand, means 4 fingers you can take in one hand and 3 fingers you can take in another hand. Altogether it became 7 fingers. Right? Here 7 balls. Right? Okay. Now here you can see tens column, units column. Again 2 tables are there. Same thing we will go through here. We will draw the objects and here let us write the numbers. Okay. Now see, this is a string of beads. Yes. How many tens are there? How many units? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units and 2 tens. Let us write here 2 tens, 5 units. Correct? Plus, okay, how many tens and how many units? Yes, 1 10 and 3 units. For this children, same thing I am writing here. Now let us add here. Here 5 units plus 3 units makes 8 units. Right? And here 1, 2 and 3. Right? 3 tens. Same thing let us write here. Here 8 units and here 3 tens. Here also you can do 5 plus 3, that is 8. And 2 plus 1, this is 3. This is very easy additions. Right? These are called as additions without carrying over. Now here also we can see tens and units. Tens means a bundle of sticks and here units means single sticks. How many are there? We will write here 3 tens, 3 units, right? Plus, how many tens and how many units? See here, 3 tens, correct? Plus 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Now, we will add here, how many tens and how many units? See, 6 and 3. And here, 6 tens, correct? Okay. Let us write here, tens how many and units how many? Okay, units 3 and 6, that is 9, and tens 3 plus 3, that is 6. Same thing is here in this table also, right? 6 tens, 9 units. Now here one more. Yes. How many tens and how many units? 3 tens and 4 units. Plus 2 tens, 3 units. Am I right? Okay, what is the total? 4 plus 3, that is 7 units, and 3 plus 2, that is 5 tens. Right? Now one more here. 4 tens and 5 units. Plus 2 tens and yes, 4 units. Okay. Now our answer is 5 units plus 4 units is equal to how many? 9 units, right? And here 4 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 6 tens. Let us write here 9 units and 6 tens. We have solved so many examples of this kind, isn't it? Means addition without carrying over. Now please observe this carefully. Here only we can see units column, but here in the second table we can see units and tens column. Why this is so? Let us move and try to understand. Here you can see flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 flowers are there. 8 flowers. Let us write 8 in the units column here. Okay. Plus, how many flowers? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again 8 flowers. Let us write 8 here. Now what is the total of 8 and 8? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, the total of 8 and 8 is 16. I am going to write here 16. 1, 6. Yes, dear children, we know that 10 units is equal to 110. Always we make bundles of 10 units to make 110, isn't it? So here also 16 means it has 10 and 6, correct? 10 means 110 and 6 units, right? 16 units means 110 and 6 units. So we can't write 16 in the units column, right? We can write a single number in the unit column. We can't write double numbers in units column, in any columns. So here it is 16 units is equal to 1, 10 and 6 units. So 1, this we will take to the tens column. This is called carrying over. For this children, this 1 is carried over to the tens column. And what is there in the tens column? Here nothing means 0. Here also nothing means 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 1. Isn't it? So our answer is 110 and 6 units. That is nothing but 16, which is equal to the total number of flowers in this table. I want to make you this clear by using this table. Okay, same thing, let us write here. 8 units plus 8 units. Okay, you know the answer is 16 here. Let us write 16 here first. Okay, dear children, to make this clear, I will take this 16 again here. Okay, in this 16, you know, the number on the right hand side is always tells us about the units place. Right? So 6 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. What is children? Yeah, 6 is in the unit place because it is to the extreme right and 1 is on left side. Right? So 6 is in units place. So it will remain in the units column. It has a right to remain in the units column. 1 is extra and that is in tens place. So let us take this 1 to the tens place, that is carried over to the tens place. Okay, and nothing is there. So our answer here 1, 6, that is 16. 10 and 6, 16. What this children? Is it clear? Okay. Remember that in each column you can write single numbers. We can't write double numbers. Okay. Let us go for some more examples of this kind. Okay, units. Again here tens and units column. Units. Ice cream cups. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us write 6 here. Please, children, leave one row here because we want to take carried over number. Okay. Next, plus. How many ice cream cups are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 units. What is the answer? Let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Means 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Now again you know that 10 units is equal to 110. Come on. Children, tell me 15 units is equal to how many tens and how many units? Very good. 5 units and 110. Very nice. Okay. Now what is the next step? Correct. We have to keep 5 in the unit place and 1 should be carried over to the tens place. Very nice. So the answer is 1 here in the tens place and 5 in the unit place. That is nothing but 15. Right? Altogether there are 15 cake cups. Right? Okay. Observe this. 110, 6 units plus 8 units. Yes, dear children, you know how to do now. Always we have to start by units column. Okay. Here 6 plus 8. How much? 6. Keep in your mind. and 8 on your fingers. 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Isn't it? So 14, let us write first here. And 1 is carried over to the tens place. And here we got 1 plus 1. And here 0. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. Isn't it? Our answer is 24. 2 tens, 4 units. Got this, children? Okay. Next one. 2 tens, 8 units plus 2 tens, 7 units. Yes. Begin from unit place. 8 plus 7. 8 keep in your mind and 7 you can take on your fingers and tell me the answer. Yes. Very nice. 15. Right? Okay. And now what is the next step? 5 will remain here and 1 is carried over to the tens place because 1 is in the tens place. Isn't it? Okay. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2. How much? Very nice. 5. So our answer is 5 tens, 5 units. 55. Correct? Very good. Next, 110, 3 units plus 5 tens, 8 units. Yes, we'll begin from units place. You can keep 3 in your mind and you take 8 on your fingers. How much? Vice versa also you can do. You can keep in your mind 8 and you can take 3 on your fingers. This will become very easy. Very good. 11. 11 let us write here first. And this left hand side 1 will move to tens place because that is carried over to the tens place. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 that is 2. Right? 2 plus 5 that is, yes, 7. Very nice. So our answer is 7 tens, 1 unit. Next one. 3 tens, 7 units plus 4 tens, 9 units. Yes, again keep 9 in your mind and take 7 fingers on your hand. Okay. What is the answer? Got? Yes. Very good. 16. 1, 6. Right? Okay. 6 will remain in the unit place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Here in the tens place you can see 1 plus 3 plus 4. All 3 numbers we have to add. What is the answer? Good. 8. So our total answer is 8 tens and 6 units. That is nothing but 86. Yes, dear children. Here the last one. 5 tens, 3 units plus 3 tens, 8 units. Come on, tell me 8 plus 3. 11. Very nice. Now the right hand side 1 will remain in the units column and 1 on the left hand side will move to tens place. That is 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to, yes, very nice, 9. So our answer is 91. That is 9 tens, 1 unit. Here 4 tens and 7 units plus 4 tens and 9 units. Let us add the numbers from the units column, that is 7 and 9. Yes, you can keep 9 in your mind and take 7 fingers to count. Very nice. 16. Okay, 6 will remain here and 1 is carried over to the tens place, and 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to, good, 9. So 9 tens and 6 units is our answer. That is nothing but 96. Correct? Am I right? Okay, I hope you understood how to do these types of sums. Okay? See here one more. 3 tens 9 units plus 5 tens 9 units. Here 9 plus 9. How much? Yes? 18. Very nice. Let us write 8 here. And 1 is carried over to the tens place. And here 1 plus 3 plus 5. Yeah. 9. Very good. Our answer is 98. And here 2 tens 7 units plus 5 tens 8 units. And in the units place we can see 7 and 8. Yes, what is the answer? Very nice, 15. So 5 will remain here and 1 is carried over to the tens place. And in the tens column you can see 1 plus 2 plus 5. That is nothing but, very nice, 8. So our answer is 85. Am I right? Okay. Dear children, this is homework for you. Here you can see so many sums. Right? Same thing you have to follow. First you have to count the numbers from the unit place, and if carried over is there, then you have to take that one to the tens place and you have to count the numbers from the tens place. Then you will get answer. Correct? This is your second page of homework. Okay? Got this, children? Dear children, thank you very much. Yes, in your textbook on page number 50, there are so many sums of this kind. Please go through them. Use pencil to solve the sums in your textbook. Take care. Thank you very much, students, for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.